In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error code 400. Let's get started. First up, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger error code 400. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router or turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then disable it. Now launch your YouTube app. Force close the app. If you are using the web version, refresh the page or try opening the site in a private or incognito window. Next up, clear cache for the app. If you are using Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app, click on App Info, go to Storage, then click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. Now if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, try signing out and then signing back into your account. This refreshes your account session and can resolve authentication related issues. Next, if you are using VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it as it may interfere with YouTube's connection. Next up, check date and time settings in your device. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. Lastly, check the server status of YouTube. For that, navigate to the website down detector, search for YouTube. Now, if you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.